Before advanced medical footwear, before ergonomic research transformed workplace shoes, before hospitals became filled with specialized equipment, healthcare workers faced one of the oldest challenges in medicine: standing for hours every day, a doctor walking between rooms, a nurse moving through endless corridors, a healthcare professional supporting patients through demanding shifts. The work required skill, focus, and endurance, but it also required something often overlooked: reliable footwear. The hospital clog, a simple design that became an important part of medical life. Its story begins with the ancient tradition of clogs. For centuries, people across Europe and other regions wore clog-style footwear because it offered protection and durability. Traditional clogs often featured wooden soles. They protected feet from wet ground, dirt, and harsh working environments. Farmers, craft workers, factory employees, many relied on them. The design succeeded because it solved practical problems. A raised sole created distance from cold or dirty surfaces. A sturdy construction provided protection. A simple shape allowed long-term use. Over time, the same principles attracted healthcare environments. Hospitals presented unique challenges. Floors needed to remain clean. Workers needed to move quickly. Shifts lasted many hours. Footwear had to handle constant movement while remaining comfortable. The clog design naturally matched these requirements. Its closed structure protected the foot. Its simple surface allowed easier cleaning. Its supportive base reduced discomfort during prolonged standing. Healthcare professionals gradually adopted specialized versions. The hospital clog was born from necessity. Unlike fashion footwear, medical shoes prioritize function above appearance. Every feature exists because of workplace demands. The sole must provide traction. Hospitals contain smooth surfaces where slipping can create serious risks. Slip-resistant materials became essential. The upper must resist contamination. Easy-to-clean surfaces simplify maintenance. The shape must support natural movement. Long hours standing create significant pressure on feet, legs, and back. Ergonomic design became increasingly important. Modern hospital clogs are the result of decades of research into human movement. Footbeds are shaped to distribute weight more evenly. Arch support reduces strain. Cushioned materials absorb impact. Lightweight construction reduces fatigue. The goal is simple: help healthcare workers continue their essential tasks comfortably. Biomechanics explains why footwear matters so much. The human foot contains a complex network of bones, muscles, and joints. During standing and walking, thousands of small adjustments occur. Poor footwear increases stress. Well-designed footwear supports natural alignment. For professionals working 12-hour shifts, these differences become significant. Psychology also plays a role. Equipment influences confidence. When workers trust their footwear, they can focus more completely on their responsibilities. The shoe becomes part of their professional routine, a quiet tool supporting important work. Hospital clogs also became a recognizable symbol of healthcare culture. The white medical clog became associated with cleanliness, professionalism, and dedication. Like uniforms and medical instruments, footwear became part of the visual identity of healthcare. Technology continues changing the design. Modern materials have replaced traditional wooden construction. Lightweight polymers provide durability. Antimicrobial surfaces help maintain hygiene. Shock-absorbing compounds improve comfort. Ventilation systems regulate temperature. Manufacturers continue refining the balance between protection and comfort. Sustainability has also entered medical footwear design. Recyclable materials, long-lasting construction, environmentally responsible manufacturing. These approaches reflect a broader movement toward reducing waste while maintaining professional standards. Although hospital clogs are strongly associated with healthcare, their influence extends beyond hospitals. Chefs, laboratory workers, manufacturing professionals, anyone working long hours on hard surfaces benefits from similar ergonomic principles. The design represents a larger idea. Work footwear should protect the person performing the work. Museums documenting occupational history increasingly recognize professional footwear as important cultural objects. Hospital clogs may appear ordinary, but ordinary objects often reveal extraordinary stories. They show how society supports the people who support others. Because beneath every medical step, every hospital corridor, every long shift, and every carefully designed sole, lives a story of dedication, a story of human-centered engineering, a story of comfort created for service. Hospital clogs are more than shoes. They are masterpieces of practical design, symbols of endurance, care, and professional commitment, and a reminder that even the smallest tools can play an important role in the biggest human efforts.